What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now, the reason that we are promoting the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% of the sales that you bring in every single month. It does not go down. Now, if you're affiliate market, you know that's really rare, unheard of, as you could say. So anyway, guys, if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page so I make sure you guys see real results, so to speak. Boom, boom. Right, we did not get a sale yesterday, guys. Not a big deal, not a big deal. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your affiliate links. All right, and before I do that, show you the link that I personally, real quick. Reason I use this link here because this promotes 3 different products. All right, now that's the reason why I use this link. You can use any link that you want, but this is the one I use. All right, guys. All right, so anyway, guys, the first thing you want to do is go to step 1 in my description. There's something like incomespeak.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And this is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. That talks about what it is, how it does, what type of money you can make, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Essentially, it's a funnel builder, and what a funnel builder is basically a series of websites to get you to buy something. Right? Long story short, so if you used a funnel builder before, you know that ClickFunnels is the most popular funnel builder out right now, essentially because they were first and they are charging over $100. They charge $100 premium just to make a funnel builder on their site, and tons of limitations on it. And you need to pay about $300, I believe, if I remember correctly. And I used to use that. So I stopped using that and using this instead. It's only $25 a month. Very good, very simple. All right, guys. So, decide, hey, you want to try this out? Yes, I want in, and all that, right? So you click on yes, I want to try. All right. Now you just put in all your basic information. You get down here, and you purchase the complete order, right? Now there's one more thing I want to mention that if you're using my link, guys, you get the premium you get HBA premium for 14 days for free. Now what HBA Premium is basically teaching you how to promote the product in a bunch of different ways: Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blah blah blah, right? And another cool thing about it is that it's an AI content creation machine to help you make content as well. All right, so, and it's constantly updated. Don't buy a course that's not constantly updated, guys. Don't do it. Something that worked last year ain't working this year, I promise you. So anyway, guys, that's all of that. You get it free 14 days. The coolest part about this is that if you get a sale with this product, you keep that $100. No problem with it. They don't mind. It's really cool. It's a really cool way to get you up started on your own promoting the product. All right, so you get the product, you get into the thing, you log in, make your account, blah blah blah, right? Videos explaining everything. You got your links. All right, so what we're gonna do is show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I have found. There's nothing easier. I haven't found nothing even close to easier, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on our second link, guys. Our second link says My Lead Gen Secrets. Click on that. We go to the website here. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? My Lead Gen Secrets, you get 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. So you want to constantly send out emails to a bunch of people, and eventually people start buying. So that's our case. Simply a numbers game. Just keep posting, right? Be consistent. So what you want to do is do what I'm doing. Make your account, blah blah blah. Get in here, and then you all of these all of these all of these all of these emails that I got in my system already were all made by ChatGPT, guys. ChatGPT made them, and so all I did was copy paste and put them in here. So once you got your email, or you want to copy my email, hold on, I'm gonna give you a second too. Go to perfect time, and that's gonna send an email around the time that people check emails. Go to preview as well. Now I did this for two reasons. One, you want to make sure your link works. So yes, my link did load up. If it does not load up, that means your link does not work. That means you cannot get paid. All right. So we want to make sure that's working. Now another reason why I clicked on this is so you guys can get a chance to copy the email if you're interested in copying it. Full email there, this the subject and this the body. Just copy it, put it in. And once you got a ton of emails in there, all you gotta do is just pick it, send it, and you're done, And that's all you gotta do every morning. Fantastic. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time, all right? Peace.